Well, I survived the night. Day 2 of Descend on Bend out here in the high desert. Not sure what's going on today. I'll have to check the schedule. A lot of people came in all night long, practically, and the band played all night long, practically. Actually, I think they stopped around 11 or 12, but I'm not real sure because I went to bed 10:30ish. Woke up about 5, turned the heater on. It got kind of cold. It got down into the high 30s, and then went back to bed, got up, made some coffee, and after I have my oatmeal, I'm going to go out and see what's going on out here today. So I hope you stick around. Lots going on today, and tomorrow is going to be the really good one. So stick around. Thank you for being here. The clouds have rolled back in. It hasn't been the best morning for me personally. Doesn't have anything to do with these folks here. They're all really fun. They're all very social, exceedingly nice. But for me personally, it's been a tough morning. I woke up Actually, I went to bed last night realizing that I didn't bring my hearing aid charger. And if I don't hear, it really cuts me off from all the social stuff that's going on here. Val was very kind enough to drive all the way from Redmond, where we live, down here and bring me my charger. And I used my electric scooter to get from here to the road. But what I didn't realize was once you get out the gate, the ground is so sandy that the scooter stops all of a sudden, and I went tumbling 3 times, and my knee hurts right now. Also, this morning I found out last night that we lost Jimmy Buffett, and some entertainers hit me differently than others. I actually met Jimmy a long time ago, right after his first album. I was a musician in Portland and playing a variety of clubs, and he went to high school with one of the waitresses at the club, at this one club that I played. She talked him into coming in and doing a set. So I saw him in the green room. I said hi. He said hi. He was a very nice guy. But I always liked his music. I thought he was a good tropical poet. A lot of things going on later this afternoon. And then there's a raffle tonight. I have a ticket for the raffle. And then right after the raffle is a potluck. I'm sure that's going to be nice too. So come on, we'll see if I can turn it around. Don't you turn it around. You keep watching, okay? Come on, let's go.
All right, we're going live in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh man, they slide. They got that old man strength. We got some winners over there. I mean, I'm a fan of the costumes right now. But we're going live in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. You said they going to Margaritaville. They going to Margaritaville. We gotta win.
Oh, shoot down.
I love the determination. Look at the just seriousness on the faces. You can place your one hand anywhere on that cup, but there's 4 holes, so good luck.
And now it's time for a potluck dinner. So let's go see what everybody's bringing. I'm bringing a charcuterie and some sweetbreads.
Yeah. Prom was worse than she expected and better than I ever imagined. And some of you guys out there, that's the best life. You stand up and
Besides taking it. My monthly or for the month. I made that.
You made this?
Yeah.
this is what I'm looking.
So this is my plate. Some sort of pasta, potatoes, chicken and rice, and I'm not sure what that is. It just looked good. It's day 3 of Descend on Bend, and to my way of thinking, if what I think is going to happen today actually happens, this is basically the whole reason why I came here. Longtime viewers may remember the hole in the ground video I did. You can see the link right there. And we're going to go back to hole in the ground today, and what they had last year was vans jumping over, like jumping. They had scooters jumping. They had all kinds of things happening down in the bottom of hole in the ground. So that's where we're going today, I hope. Stick around, because that's really why I'd like to be here. They've had music every night. Tonight there's a dance, and they've taken requests for music from the 70s and music from the 80s. That's going to be happening tonight too. I don't know if I get around to filming it or not. We'll just have to wait and see.
The shoot truck's going down in. That's awesome. Hopefully we've got a bunch of free beer.
And here we go. So this is Trevor. Trevor was kind enough to give me a ride out here.
Hey, hey.
And he's a Descend veteran. He's been here at least once before.
At least.
At least. So we'll see what happens today. Okay, this is Trevor, who gave me a ride down. You know, I have to admit, I thought the thing down in Hole in the Ground would be a little bit more spectacular than it turned out to be because of what happened last year. But I think the rain had a lot to do with it because it was a lot more damp on the ground than in past years, and I think they would have done some more exciting things. What did you think? Comment down below. Is this a sort of thing that you would consider going to? Again, I want to say the people here are super nice. They're just really nice people. And if you're into vanning or a van life, this is probably for you. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. You might consider subscribing because I can always use subscribers. Also, it costs some money to get in here, and it isn't a little bit of money, and that's okay because you're worth it. But if you'd like to help support the channel, down below there's a little thanks icon, and you can click on that and leave some support for the channel, and it'd be really appreciated. I'd be very grateful. Next week, we've got something different, and we've got something coming up in a week or two that'll be really interesting. But next week, stick around. You might want to see that. And if you're not subscribed or you don't want to subscribe, kind of monitor the channel, all right? And we will see you next week.